Is your TV remote acting up? If the buttons feel sticky or aren't responding, we're going to clean it properly. First, pull out the old batteries. To open the case, use a plastic card. Slide it into the seam and gently pop the clips. Avoid using screwdrivers or knives, they'll just chew up the plastic. Take your time and work your way around the edges. Now separate the pieces. See those black contacts on the board? Over time, they get covered in a film that blocks the signal. We'll use isopropyl alcohol to clean them. Dampen a cotton pad with alcohol and wipe the circuit board thoroughly. You want to remove all that grime. Once it's clean, wipe it dry with a fresh cloth. The traces should look brand new. Don't use alcohol on the rubber keypad or plastic casing. Instead, just head to the sink, grab an old toothbrush and some dish soap. Scrub each button carefully. Dirt and oil from your hands build up in the grooves, which is exactly why the button starts sticking. Rinse everything well with warm water. Make sure you get all the soap off. Drying is the most important part. Use a paper towel to dry every single piece. You need to make sure there's zero moisture left in the crevices before we reassemble it. After that, let everything sit for 24 hours to air dry completely. Time to put it back together. Place the rubber keypad into the front cover and line up the board with the pegs. Put the back cover on and press down until you hear those clips click into place. Insert your batteries. I always use brand new ones for my projects. It ensures consistent, reliable performance. Here's a quick test. Point the remote at your phone's camera and press a button. You can't see the infrared signal with your eyes, but your camera sensor will pick up the purple light. Everything is working perfectly. The buttons are responsive again, just like a new remote. If you're planning on doing this yourself later, save this video. In the next one, I'll show you how to fix a frayed charging cable so it lasts for years. See you there.